Alrighty, I am so excited to be here, you guys. So, it's my first week out on the road trucking. Obviously, the background's still my house because I was able to come home for one day, and I'll tell you that story as we eat. But anyway, today on the menu is Chinese food. Okay, so I have chicken and green beans. And then I have cream cheese raccoons from Panda Express. I have veggie rolls, egg rolls, broccoli and beef, chow mein, and fried rice, and teriyaki chicken. And then, of course, I have my fortune cookie. You can't have Chinese food without a fortune cookie. So this is my delicious dinner. And then, of course, my famous tea. Yeah. Okay. You guys, I'm so thirsty because it's so hot. It's like 112 here in Cali. So it's roasting, but I love these, you guys. These are so good. Look at that. Cream cheese raccoons. So Sauce Queen got me hooked on these, and they're so good at Panda. Okay, I'm going to pull my tray just a little bit closer so I actually have, like, places to eat. Oh my god. Look at that. Really good, guys. So definitely want to tell you guys about my first week in trucking. Back on the road again. Oh yeah. So good. So I got all my equipment that I ordered on Amazon for the truck. So that is all ordered. So next week, when I go back on the road this week or something, I'll have all my equipment so I can totally do truck things now. So good. I was starving. Oh yeah. I love green beans, guys. Delicious. Okay, so this week was really, really crazy. So I flew up to Minnesota, did one day of orientation. The weather was like phenomenally gorgeous, and it was like 75. I was like in heaven, you guys. It was so lovely up there. Oh yeah. So I did my orientation, did some safety videos, you know, did the whole paperwork thing that you do when you get when you get your job, when you first day start. Oh. And then they assigned me a truck and a load. So it took me, the assignment they gave me was from a town called St. Cloud, Minnesota. And then I drove it all the way down here to Southern California. So it was probably close to a little over 1,800 miles. And I drove that in like, let's see, 3.5 days. Yeah. 1,800 miles, guys. and 3.5 days by myself. That's like a lot of miles and a lot of exhaustion. Definitely had to get it there on time this morning at 7:30. Bright and early. So needless to say, even if I had my equipment, I was so exhausted every night that there's no way I would have been able to do a video. But plus, I didn't have any food because I hadn't gone shopping or anything. So stopped at a Walmart, got some bedding, and then some like water, and that was it. I was on the road, and for the last 3.5 days, I just been like eating like Carl's Jr. junk crap, you know. So I didn't really get a chance to stop. Like the route they had me take was like they designate the route for you. So this way everybody's on the same route. If we break down or you need to swap trailers or whatever, like you're able to do that. Yummy. So I got out to go to the bathroom at this rest stop, you guys, and I so wish I had a camera because it was like a Kodak moment. Like if you ever watch like Trailer Trash Tammy, her mukbangs are funny, but the reason why I referred it to that because I got out of the truck and I'm getting ready to go up to the bathroom, up to the rest stop area, and I see this woman who has no bra on. I mean, literally no bra on. And she was a fairly large woman, no bra, with a muscle tee, like a men's muscle tee, like wife beater shirt. And you just see her boobs like sagging and like the boobs sagging on her side. I was like, oh no, she didn't. I know she didn't get out of the car or whatever she was in to go to the bathroom looking like that. I was like shocked. I was like, what? That's the time when you wish you would have had your phone and your camera to like take a snap, you know, a picture, because you're like shocked and you can't believe that you just saw what you saw. I was so mad at myself. I was like, people are like really ballsy to get out and I guess, you know, whatever your mama gave you, show it off, I guess. But it just reminded me of Trailer Trash Cam because she wears stuff like that and that makes me laugh. And she's proud of it. So good. Oh. My headband, you guys, is slipping off. It's like my staple mark. So, I didn't put any makeup on today because for some reason, when I got out of the truck, my neck started breaking out. I started having like hives underneath my neck. So I was like, I'm not putting nothing on today. So, when I go back on the road, I'm going to take so many videos, you guys. And then we're going to have like eating. I got food today. So, I'll be definitely doing it up, you guys. I actually saw some deers on my road trip in Wyoming this time. I didn't think it was like deer season, but there's like a whole little family of them. It was kind of cool. So it's so beautiful driving through the Dakotas, you guys. The weather was perfect. The Scenic was great. And then I got down to like Wyoming, and from Wyoming all the way to California was like horrible weather quality because of all the wildfires. It was terrible. Right into Utah, Las Vegas. It was awful. But when I got into Las Vegas, I was so excited because I got a call from my cousin, who I haven't seen for like 3.5 years. So that made me like my whole day exciting, because her and her husband have been trucking for like over 20 years, probably like close to 30 years. And so they were showing me all kinds of cool things on the truck and the tractor and stuff, and on the trailer, which was like super helpful. So it was really awesome. So I was super excited to see both of them and learn so many new things. But then I get to my shipper today, and like this engine light comes on, and I'm like, oh great. I get this truck, I drive over 1,800 miles, and now I've got like engine problems. So probably gonna be down for a few days until I get that fixed, which is a really bummer deal, but I'll be back on the road making those dollars. It feels so good though, you guys, to be like at home, having a shower, I don't know, having a bathroom you can actually use. It's like amazing. These aren't that crunchy. Maybe the other side, maybe that little bit. There we go, the egg rolls. So this truck is pretty cool. I'm gonna like do a video showing you guys the inside of my truck. I got a refrigerator, microwave. I even got a TV mount, which is like awesome. I can watch like TV in there. So I'm gonna do a whole video on it inside the truck. And it's gonna be pretty cool. This week I just wasn't set up properly, so I just couldn't do it, but don't worry, it's coming. Doesn't look like I made a dent in this food, but it's such a big amount. Okay. Plus, I want to map it out to where I can stop at some like really good restaurants, maybe on my routes. On this one, there really wasn't anything for me to stop, really. That wasn't like a Arby's or Subway. So, just had me running pretty tight. Not a lot of room for error, like accidents or road conditions or anything like that. Oh yeah. Oh. So good. So Chinese food was one of the requests you guys requested when I first started my channel. Oh, also, another exciting thing is, okay, so we actually launched our YouTube channel for Mommies on Tricycles, which is our other business that my sister and I have, which I'm super excited. Some of you guys have seen it already. Some of you watch it, and we really appreciate it. Keep watching. We're going to be posting more videos this week on it. We're really excited to like get it going and let it, flourish like this one here. So this is great. Okay, here's the story, guys. This is slipping on my head, but here's the truth. I bought these headbands at the 99-cent only store. Okay, and they're made for children. So, the more I eat, the more it pushes up. It's like ghetto-fied. Like literally. So, check out our channel on Mommies on Tricycles on YouTube. And right now there's only one video, but like I said, we're going to be having some more videos. I'm going to do on the recipes that we already have on our blog. So, it'll be really awesome. Also, guys, Mama Sass has been really working her channel. She's been like going live, and so I'm so proud of her. And she's doing so well. So give her like some love. Watch some of her live videos. So here's a shout out to you, Auntie. Yes. And Big Daddy was in one of them. And yes, he looked like Saturday Night Live. I busted out laughing in that comment. So funny. Okay, these egg rolls aren't the great. For some reason, they're kind of soggy. They don't have that good, like, crunchiness to them. I don't know why. But so, I hope most of you guys, the way I could see it, like, going around the country this week, people are like shaking and moving. People are getting back to normalcy. A lot of travelers out and a lot of cars, so be careful, but enjoy yourself out there too. And this shirt that I'm wearing, we actually tie-dyed this. Me and my sister, for our Mommies on Tricycles website. I had so much fun doing it. Like, who would have thought tie-dyeing was like back in, guys? It's like still hip and cool. I went to Sam's Club to stock up some stuff for the truck today. And it was like a zoo. And they had everything in stock, like toilet paper, paper towels. I was like, wow. I'm like, them truckers are working it. I was like super excited to get the essentials. have Clorox wipes and disinfectant spray. Shocker! Everything a trucker needs. Definitely slowing down, guys. I know it doesn't look like I really demolished too much of it, but it's like filling. Okay, so I'm not sure, but what this little fortune cookie has to say, but I don't eat the cookie. It's kind of nasty for me. Okay. Oh, this is juicy. You have a way about you in bed. Oh, yeah, baby. Josie! I'll just keep that tidy over here. Word. You guys, I'm so dehydrated. So that comment when somebody asked me, do I ever drink all my tea? Yes. And I'm about to drink all that tea right now because one, I'm getting full, and two, I'm thirsty as heck. Just because being on the road, you've got that sun beating down on you in the car, in the truck, like with the driver's side, it's awful. And then, like, if you drink too much, because you get really dehydrated, if you drink too much, then you have to stop constantly. And there's not always a bathroom for you to stop at. And then you get yourself in a really big pinch. So you try to limit yourself from any type of like liquids. It's kind of bad. Oh my God, look at that, guys. I know. So this is what's going to happen this week. So I'm going to get my truck fixed. And then when I'm done getting that fixed, I'll get a load somewhere, who knows, somewhere in the nation. And then I got some food, guys. I'm going to do a trucker bang. I'm going to do some videos, filming of like scenic areas that, I think are kind of pretty cool on my route. Some places along the country, just stop and look. If I see some like buffalo or deer again, I'm going to stop and film and, do the whole thing. Then I'm going to eat some delicious food. So some of it I'll bite out when I see some cool places. Like little dive places, I think that are really... Excuse me, I got the hiccups. Little dive places, I think, along the way. They'll be kind of cool to, like, check out. But, yeah, I don't think, like, Subway and Arby's is, like, super cool. So I'll pass on that one. And I'm going to stop at, like, small little diners and... because there's plenty of those out there. I just have to find them for you guys. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've been up since 3 a.m. so I'm super exhausted. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoy this delicious Chinese food. And you guys have a good night. And I'm going to post this tonight. And we'll see you on the next video, guys. Alright, and don't forget to go to our channel, Mommy's on Tricycles, and check out some of the other videos we're going to be posting within next week. Okay, guys, have a good night, and we'll see you next time. Bye!